With the fashion show in Novo Mesto, we wanted to popularize second-hand fashion.
V Knafu si želimo, da trajnost postane trend. We want to show that fashion is not only about high fashion red carpets, but also it's about responsible consumption and sustainability. Modeli, naši prostovoljci iz cele Slovenije, iz celega sveta so bili neverjetni.
And I'm really also happy that more known people, celebrities, were also responding to our request to come to the fashion show.
We say a lot in our forum, if you want to buy something new, buy reuse.
Second-hand fashion can be really unique, really cool and sexy also.
Every time when you choose the clothes from secondhand, you make one step to save the world.